amabara gange ahura Edwin Sefasona Moti ndi President Terasuli Association Makerere University ekitebe ekigaita abana abanyoro bona oba abegi abakusomera mitwale oba itendekero ya Makerere University akasozi. Tuli bana abakuga mitwale ya Bunyoro kandi nabwa mu districts ezikora Bunyoro, Gamba, Hoima, Bulisa, Masindi, Kiryandongo, Kibale, Kakumiro, Kagadi. So bwire bunu tuli hanu hawa ensonga etatekanisize nk'abegi abasibensi abakwenda ensi yabo kandi twasaraho twayimukiramu kwijja habutaka na mitu kuzarwa kora ensonga eno netwafuna ekitugibazaho nokongera kujumira ensonga enkuru etwesere hane kyo kyalero nk'abegi twerekese mirimo tuyona eri ensonga ya Bagungu kwechwa ha Bunyoro kitara kingdom. Itwe nk'abegi tukujumira nese kujumira kikora nkeki habwe ensonga Bunyoro erinsi einamu amahanga kwa ukana Bunyoro erinsi etangira kandi kene tangira kandi kikozere kurungi. So nikimanya kurungi ensi ya Bunyoro twinamu amahanga kwa ukana, twinamu abasindi abakuruga Masindi, twinamu Abagungu abakuruga Bulisa, twinamu Abagahya, twinamu Abagangaizi, twinamu Abachope n'abandi kandi umbire nibo bumu twegayitwaho na amahanga gandi agayize gasenga mu Bunyoro muno imyaka ikimaze nabo. Gamba twinamu Abakiga, twinamu Abanyankole, twinamu Abaruru kandi tuke nabo kwa Bunyoro muno kano kama ba hostingire kurungi. So ensonge twesere bwire bunu nti Bunyoro erinsi ina amahanga gayingi. So ensonga yitu tugedwe singa tuti inti ensonga ya Bagungu kwechwaho tugagira habwe ensonga tuli bantu bamu, tuli bantu abekaire hamu kumara myaka nyingi nukimanya inti this is the heritage eitu evizentu sika kuga emyaka yenyuma kandi twagonze tugimaintaininge. What do we say nkaitwa abana abakuga mu Makerere University mu Terasuli Association to calling for unity, we are calling for united Bunyoro. Itwe nkaitwe tukujumira kwechwachu habwe ensonga tikiri kyomugaso oba tikikuyamba ensi yetu ya Bunyoro. Nkaitwe ensi yetu ya Bunyoro eno bina bintu binge bikuturuma ebikusa ku addressinga instead okudebatinga okwechwamu. Gamba tuchaina obuziwa amarwara amabi nkarijoni tuchaina ensome tikabe kwa standard kurungi tuina abantu baitu abali mu Bunyoro muno takafune knowledge kurungi oba information ekwataga na mafuta. So tukugamba leka tusige tuli united, tusige tuli bamu niko tusobole kusigara tuli gaining power nka Abanyoro nka region yaitu wenu mu hala mafuta hali development programs kuga mu central government kandi kintu kija kubaho if we remain united as Bunyoro kitara kingdom. So nkusabira buli kikwatanaho buli stakeholder bajitu kwataniza hamu tole ensonga enu yamarwa orabaro kubagano hali abene baitu abakuruga Bulisa na aside enu twendusaba tuikale ensonga zimalibwe kandi zigale tuli bendemu bo musahigumu hawo kuba nicheke tuli. So okwebaganuramu tukujumira kandi tukwanga nk'abana abakwenda ensi yabo abakwenda twende kurakurana nka Bunyoro. So ngwikyo muranga bwokikwata naho intensonga eno leka tuikale on round table twetegereza ngane turole nk'abana bendemu cheki kwetagisa cheki kuburamu turole nti kintu kyakuraki kyabasolved rather than kudebatinga kwechwamu kikutugarura nyuma nk'Abanyoro kikutugarura emirembe yeira. So kandi tikiri kya kyenkwa kwa nayona nikimanya kurungi singatwa nereka limu nk'Abanyoro kuja kufuna muno tujakuwa na bargaining power yetu, tujakuwa ya amani gamba kwa mafuta na development projects kuruga mu central government baitu kintu kijakuba aho twine era kalimu nka Bunyoro region nka sub ethnic groups ezikuruga mu Bunyoro sub region twine era kalimu dukorganira hamu nituya kamu nkabana bendemu. So mubwire bunu nka Kitara Students Association Makerere University twine kihandiko kyaitu kisomwe niko muhule bitu kugamba yona bi address mu kihandiko kyaitu kine kigwa kusomebwa ntusaba omukuru atusomera kitwabizemu.
Yes, my name is Ambrose Tumuine. I'm a student of Bachelor of Science in Agriculture and I'm in my 4th year at Makerere University. This is the press statement that we, the students of Kitara Students Association, who hail from this land, have written. Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom's glory can neither be stamped nor forgotten whenever kingdoms are spoken about. It is endowed with great natural resources and great history whose origins are clear to those willing to know about her. It is with great dismay that KISA, that is the Kitara Students Association at Makerere University, noted in the recent headlines a foster by a certain group of people from one of the sub-ethnic groups that comprise our mighty Bunyoro advanced their quest for breakaway from Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom. As elites with a great understanding of the far-reaching social, cultural and economic implications on the communities and the people of Bunyoro, we stand in solidarity with the Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom to condemn this act because of the following reasons. There will be loss of cultural heritage as Bunyoro. In this case, we all know that Bunyoro is not just a small group of people. It is a group of people that comprise of the Bagungu, of the Basindi from Masindi, of the Bachope, Bagangaizi, and the very many other groups, the sub-ethnic groups that comprise of Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom. Bagungu's succession will deem it necessary for the other sub-ethnic groups in Bunyoro to demand independence too from Bunyoro, which will eventually kill our Bunyoro and general loss of identity. As a region, we are losing out on our bargaining power, and our lobby from the central government will be reduced. Take for instance, when we have jobs that are being advertised as a region, we need to stand and demand for some of those jobs. Say for instance, in the oil and gas sector, where we are supposed to have the biggest population employed there being the natives of this land. And we cannot bargain for such a thing when we are disunited. Continued struggle for independence is likely to result into regional conflicts that are likely to put our already struggling society in great trouble. The glory that our ancestors fought and shed blood to preserve will be no more. We remember in the history where Kabalega fought for this great land. And then if today we wake up and see that our land, as the Bunyoro, as the great ethnic groups that comprise of Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom are being broken away, then we shall be losing focus. So therefore, it is with self-interest and opportunism that one can see a cessation of the Bagungu community as a solution to challenges that are affecting our society. The challenges that we face as the people of Bunyoro have nothing to do with the cessation, but concerted efforts that will yield better services in terms of healthcare systems, education, opposing common challenges of land grabbing, which continue to lavish our people into misery and poverty. It's time for all the people of Bunyoro, therefore, to work together and advocate for unity, and not to divide and rule our people. And this is our position as the students. This is our position as a students, that we advocate for dialogue to a common ground with the leaders of the Bagungu community so as to address the grievances, and then we live in harmony. We all know that the cabinet of Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom has 14 ministers, and out of those 14 ministers, 5 of the core of those ministers are Bagungu, including but not limited to the Deputy Prime Minister. We unite against the breakaway, as this will kill a single common voice that will see us increase our bargaining power. We call for equal representation in the opportunities that lie in the kingdom by the people in Bunyoro. For example, when we have jobs and then the scholarships that come through the kingdom to support these students in the tertiary institutions especially. It is not by Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom that the Bagungu community or the culture is being marginalized, but rather by the poor support rendered by the leaders in the communities. If at all we can build and advocate for us to have those strong leaders that can advocate, then surely we shall have a community that thrives. We therefore advocate, as the students of Makerere University Kitara Students Association, that we have unity and we stand in solidarity for togetherness as we build our community, Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom. Thank you very much.
The solidarity, the solidarity, the Makerere, the Makerere. Hello.
Gallant Makererians.
Yes.
Gallant Makererians.
Yes.
Gallant Makererians.
Yes.
Gallant Makererians.
Yes. Yes.
We are not happy.
Yes.
We want to send a message.
Yes.
We want to send a message.
Yes.
We know
Yes.
there are external forces.
Yes.
External forces
Yes.
that are affiliating this move.
Yes.
We as Bunyoro Kitara Students Association,
Yes.
we are not happy.
Yes.
We have our sisters from the Bagungu community.
Yes.
We are not happy too.
Yes.
They are not ready.
Yes.
They are not ready.
Yes.
I repeat, they are not ready.
Yes.
I repeat, they are not ready
Yes.
for the sensation.
Yes.
Mbainimba saba. Omululimi olunyoro. Araha abana bakuluga mu Bugungu. Omwana bwakubaza olujungu ali mu Nyoro. Bakunihira oba abana bahoyima abana bakagadi nibo bakolaki bakwakaniza. But there are people aruha abana bakuluga mu Bagungu. Sister, you can please say a word or two.
Twenka abana ba Makerere kiki ntukola kyani tukendya kwake. Twenka twizira aha twizana kuwasaba bumwenya w'abantu kubanga abampa na kintu maybe kitakwatagana kurungi twenka abana tukusaba kintu kimwenya bumwenya bw'abantu bensenya abawulisya bali masindi bali hoima bali keyandongo twege tukusaba twenka abana ba Makerere kandi ntukoba kwechaona kwawulisya ha Bunyoro ha kingdom getu kugira bantu ida nkwira ona development getu nk'abantu ngitwira yone inyuma so mituka amasomero ngudo utali matinya bawulisya tukusaba kintu kimwenya umwenya kwegwangana kurungi kyogenda kola kyani kyogenda kutubimba twenka abantu nakutoka kwa kendi nyizira hakubaza hakuwa ukania Bagungu bakwendya kweza ukania n'Abanyoro gekyo kintu kikunsemeza kwa enka mwana kandi nkijumira hoyi ngeri tugira agatera inegaite igufa tukwenda tweteranize Bunyoro gile kwa hingu gikorwa Bunyoro gisa Bunyoro tuinamona bantu nkaba basindi Banyoro themselves tuina Bagungu tuina bakobya bachope bensenya bali mu Bunyoro so twakeza ukania bo bantu bakagenda benke kigenda kuletereza abantu tuina kwa ikalenka Bunyoro tuina kwa Idena University twakasigala hamwe bantu bagenda tuina gigyo solidarity ngu tugenda kurugayo twakasigala twakatanka kweza ukania yatyo university the gigenda de nakutulema ati de nama kutadega tukwe de gaizenka mukieno hakuba bantu bakira bakulingira makuta so tuina kolesya like that tuina kwiza hamwe that unity kuko kasimomo tuwemere with that unity tulwanisye
kweza ukanya kasimo makutaga gatubere ga mugaso gatatubera ga mukiyeno mwebale
Bunyoro break up zi break up zi break up zi allo
nitutero muranga guno hala abantu bona hali bakali abanyoro baitu omu nyamasaza zona hali bakali ezigaita Bunyoro nitubasabe kintu kino tuikale tuli bamu kandi tukolera hamu niko tusobole kwimukya Bunyoro yaitu butukuba tuine kintu ekyamani kyone kitukwenda mu government nkoko tuina kifuna tuli hamu nka Abanyoro butukuba nto yaukaniza munete kikuba nikituchwa nikitumara amani nka Abanyoro amahanga gona gakura ine wade bugakuba gaine ebyo bugaiga byone bya amani bugakuba gatatereire mu businge gaine mwentaro tigakusobora kurakurana tuine bagenzi baitu abatuli hayi hano aba Democratic Republic of Congo baine ebyo bugaiga bingi muno baitu tibakusobora kurakurana na speed habo kuba bayikara mu ntaro so tukusaba abantu bona hali bakali abagungu abachope abasindi abagangayizi nabona abantu bakakwikara mu Bunyoro kitara kingdom ngo tukolere hamu itwe nkabegi aba Makerere University na matendekero agandi gona ga haiguru no buziku baziri senior secondary itwena tuinorulimi rumu tukubaze kintu kimo ngo tuikale nitukolera hamu niko tusobole kurakura nze kishweka kyaitu
break up zi ra cha
Bunyole kunyumeri yemu banyanyaze nimbasaba tujumirire ebikorwa binu nimbasaba tujumirire ebikorwa binu abana bakwega tumanyira amakuru agali mu kwetu wamu. Tukwenda Bunyoro eriemu. Sensation Z. The one kingdom more. Obukama wa Bunyoro. Kweka ito. Hello. Makerere, yes. Once again, yes. Once again, yes. I say once again, yes. We are here. Yes. This is the ancestral ground. Yes. This is the ancestral ground. Yes. This is where our ancestors are laid. Yes. We cannot accept. Yes. We shall not accept. Yes. Be ashamed. Yes. Kabarega karwana. Kabarega katwanira. Kabarega lega. Kabarega lega. Tukuswara muno. Kurolamba basajja batulwanirire. Bazino tubinagire nyuma. Kusaho kwetu wamu. Kuikara tulemerere nk'Abanyoro. Kwenda Bunyoro emu. Kabana ba masomero. Abana bagenda mu masomero. Tuwaikiriza. Tujumira. Tuhakaniza. Tubesengereza. Lekera okutwa mu Bunyoro. Ebyenfuna byonna. Mujja kubyebwa. Amafuta ganyu aga Bunyoro. Amafuta ganyu aga Bunyoro. Muri Karora. Public University bakubagamba. Muri Zirora. Kulikayikiriza kwetu wamu. Koine kiora roda. Allow me to allow you to tell you that today you come here to proclaim Bunyoro Kingdom and to defend the Kingdom of Bunyoro and protect the Bunyoro Kingdom and defend the breaking of Bagungu. That is director. Why am I going up with the Bagungu?
Bantu ba Bunyoro n'abakungu bali mu Bunyoro nokubasiima ku luganyuma ku batula tati kati kubasaba mukintu kyakwa ebinyamu kina kututwala ebinyamu ngukumugimbe na utebengwa kudi kisigale kuno kituyamba kwaye bakutagalo atati bali kwegawulikiro tuleke kuwanaha tuwane mu meso mutwakamala bakwekamalikiri kusigala bakukata twairya kusigala tuli kintu kimwe Bunyoro kyakyo kyetu kyakwa ebinyamu bikutuyamba kwaye ate bakatoka akatubinga ulisa tukwiranya tutala kwalwana tuwane ngutusigale mu Bunyoro okatuyambiroho Bunyoro winning goal losing Z breaking Z ra cha cha
Kitara TV kwegesa kumanyisa.